Peter started collecting stickers. His friend gave him 30 stickers. Each week he will add 10 stickers to his collection. Which equation can be used to find y, the total number of stickers in Peter's collection after X weeks? Let's go. All right, I think a helpful way to think about this problem is to make an XY table with real example numbers that we can test and figure out how many stickers is Peter going to have after that number of weeks. Let me walk you through what I mean. If I want to say at 0 weeks, how many stickers does Peter have? Let's just read the problem. Forget about the fact that this has got this algebra stuff that may be intimidating. Let's just read the problem and think about it. At 0 weeks, how many stickers does Peter have? Well, he started with 30 stickers. So at 0 weeks, he should have 30 stickers in his collection. Okay, well, how about at 1 week? After 1 week, what's he gonna have? Well, at 1 week, he's got those 30 stickers he started with, but then he's gonna get 10 more stickers because every week it says he's getting 10 more. So what I could do is I could think of that as being 30, the original 30, plus 10, and we add those 10 one time because there's only 1 week so far where he's earned those 10 extra stickers for a grand total of 40 stickers after 1 week. Now this might seem kind of obvious, but you'll see the point in a minute. What about after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks, well, he's still got those 30 original stickers he started with, but now he's gonna add that 10 2 times because he's earned 10 stickers the first week and 10 stickers the second week. So he's added that 10 twice. And so this is a grand total of 30 plus 20, which is 50 stickers after 2 weeks. And I could keep doing this all day long. So like with 3 weeks, he's got 30 stickers for the original plus 10 that he's added, and he's gonna add those 3 times. So that's a grand total of 60 stickers, and so on and so forth. Let's now, instead of putting a specific number here, let's just think in generic terms, kind of algebraically. What about after X weeks? How many stickers is he gonna have? Well, he's gonna have the 30 stickers he started with, and then he's gonna add 10 stickers every week, but instead of being 1 time or 2 times or 3 times, he's adding those 10 stickers X times to get a grand total of however many that would be. Now you'll notice we can't actually get a total because we don't know the value X here, but we've now discovered the equation or the expression to predict how many stickers he's gonna have. And if we look carefully through our options, we can see that's the same as option B. His number of stickers is going to be the 30 that he started with plus 10 for every week that he keeps collecting. And this is exactly the approach that we took to figure out the specific numbers, but now we've kind of generalized it down here to say, hey, here's our general rule to figure out how many stickers he's gonna have after X weeks. And if you want to test one real quickly, let's say after 3 weeks, let's make sure this works out. If I plug 3 weeks into this, 10 times 3 is 30, plus 30 is 60. Well, that is the correct prediction of 60 stickers that we knew we could get just using the numbers themselves. So it really is B that's the correct answer. If you got that, great thinking.